My narcissistic mother-in-law's harassment pushed us to court and no contact, /just Namil story. A single Facebook photo marked the beginning of a horrifying family drama. The mother-in-law had brazenly posted a picture of her son with his once abusive ex-wife. To make it worse, she captioned the photo "Best day of my life." This entire ordeal started when her husband, a soldier, was scheduled for an overseas deployment. His mother offered to look after our 3-month-old puppy while he was away, which seemed like a kind gesture at first. However, after arriving a full 6 weeks earlier than planned, she immediately began criticizing everything. While we were at work, she fed the puppy more than its body weight in food and water, leaving the house a mess of vomit and feces. She even accused us of being animal abusers, shedding tears as she made the outrageous claim. After that incident, the couple decided they absolutely could not entrust the puppy to her. In response, my mother sent me a private text, calling my wife selfish and spoiled, among other awful things. Her bizarre behavior escalated, culminating in her posting that photo with her son's abusive ex. We couldn't take it anymore and decided to block her entire side of the family. But the harassment didn't stop there. My own father called to tell me that I was a part of my mother's psychiatric treatment and that we had to accommodate her for her to get better. When all other contact was blocked, the mother-in-law sent a long, guilt-tripping apology letter to her son's email. I replied politely but firmly, stating that while the apology was noted, the damage was too severe and asked her not to contact us again. The mother-in-law's reaction to this polite refusal was shocking. She posted a screed full of lies and insults about her daughter-in-law on Facebook for all their friends and family to see. While my husband was on the phone telling his mother she'd crossed a line, I was contacting the police and submitting all the evidence. Upon hearing the police were involved, the mother-in-law tearfully said she would take it all back, but it was far too late. The court finally sided with us, and a restraining order was issued against my mother-in-law. She is appealing the decision, but for the couple, it no longer matters. We've already moved, changed our phone numbers and emails, and have started a completely new life. They realize that true peace doesn't come from winning in court, but from having the courage to cut toxic ties. Double tap the screen for good luck.